always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Starting to see some of those showers fire up across West Michigan, especially west of 131 right now. Most of that rain still over Lake Michigan, but we have seen reports of a little bit of icing or freezing rain once it hits the surface, paired with sleet. It has tapered off a bit. Notice that round of showers didn't do a great job at holding together, but we still have a long ways to go with this system. Expect widespread and even heavier showers as we head into your early Tuesday morning. Temperatures are something to keep a close eye on tonight. We'll likely stay above freezing for most of our cities, but we're certainly getting close. 35 degrees right now in Grand Rapids, 38 down in Kalamazoo. Once we hit about that freezing mark, and likely will do just that near and north of I-96, that's when we could see a little bit of freezing rain falling and sticking. Still not a whole lot of ice accumulation expected. Feels like temperatures, though, are a lot cooler with this strong easterly wind. 17-mile-per-hour winds right now in Grand Rapids, 14 in South Haven. Rain showers pick up overnight, and they'll last throughout much of the day on Tuesday. It'll be breezy that day as well. And notice that Tuesday morning commute time frame is when we start to see some of that heavy rain pick up, where we see that pink and purple color indicating freezing rain possible. Will really change over to that rain, though, as we head throughout the afternoon. Temperatures will be in those low to mid 40s, and rain chances become a bit more scattered. We could hear about some snow reports in northern Michigan, but we should miss out on that here. In fact, by the time we get to Wednesday, we'll start to see some clearing and could even have a few breaks of sunshine. The biggest thing we'll be tracking is potentially some localized flooding concerns as this rain happens relatively quickly throughout the morning hours, especially near and south of I-96. Most models indicating anywhere from about 3/4 to an inch of rain. The further north you go, the lesser amount of rain you'll see, but again, could be some slick travel early in the morning with that freezing rain. By Thanksgiving, we are dry. We're actually the warmest day of our 8-day forecast, a high of 45 with some breaks of sunshine. It'll be a bit breezy with that northwesterly wind. And then into Friday and the weekend is really when we settle into winter-like conditions. Highs will be in those mid-30s with a thick layer of clouds, and it'll be cold enough that we could finally talk the potential of snow. For tonight, though, mostly rain for most of West Michigan. Could see a little bit of mixing. Dry into Wednesday and Thursday with those highs holding in those 40s, and then cooler into the weekend, back into those 30s, and we'll keep an eye out for some of those scattered snow showers early next week.
Here we go. It's December already.
I know, right? Get ready for that snow. It's coming.
Yep. All right, Sarah, thank you.